Welcome to this stunning 3,500 square foot home in the Tribute. With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, this 2-story beauty has all the space and style you've been looking for. From the open layout to the designer kitchen and spacious living areas, every detail is designed for comfort and elegance. And let's not forget about the incredible community. The Tribute offers lakeside living at its best, with resort-style pools, scenic trails, and endless outdoor activities. Plus, you're close to everything that Frisco has to offer: shopping, dining, and top-rated schools. Ready to see what makes this home truly special? Let's dive in. All right, here we are in this amazing Britain home. I cannot wait to show this thing to you guys today. This is by far one of my favorites.
Yeah, no, I agree. Let's go to the right as you walk in, right to your left. Take a look at this office. Totally can get some work done. Love this color. What do you think?
Those built-ins are beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
Obviously, you got the light coming out. Look at the casing around the windows, which is kind of cool. You don't really see that as much. And I love the iron glass doors.
Yeah, they've done some amazing upgrades to this one.
But what do you think? I mean, you come on in, you've got the tile, which is interesting. We haven't really seen that.
I think it looks pretty.
It does. It kind of gives that spark, but I don't know if that's the new trend or what. But here you come in, you've got your full bathroom downstairs.
Beautiful bathroom, nice size shower.
Now, as we mentioned, this is a 5-bedroom home, so this is the secondary bedroom downstairs, which would probably be used as a guest room for most people.
Mm-hmm.
You do have a closet, and all the closets in this house, and for the secondary bedrooms, are about that size. So
Not real big.
We're not going to bore you with opening up every single closet door, but this is a good sized room. I mean, that's a queen size bed. You have plenty of space. And as you come through, ignore this area because this will be your garage. Is this enough space, Patrice, for your Christmas tree?
I don't know, it might get in the way.
Not getting in the way? Maybe
Yeah.
you got a tall, skinny one?
I think yeah, tall, skinny one, Santa.
Yep.
There's our Santa.
All right, so here is your kitchen. Love the waterfall edge.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Huge island.
Huge island. Now, couple things I want to point out. First of all, you got monogram appliances in your microwave, double oven, which is great. All of these drawers are all soft close. These things are gliding so
Yeah, that's
well
nice.
made, right? And then I love the brown and like the kind of charcoal. What are your thoughts, Patrice?
I like it a lot. I think it's really pretty. I don't know if I'd want it in my own house all the time.
I mean, we were talking right before we rolled the camera. But this is great. This is where designers and unprofessionals, as far as design is concerned, come in. Because I mean, I would never do that, but I think it blends in nicely with this quartz and all that good stuff.
I do like the way they took it all the way up the wall too. That looks really pretty. Very nice. Mm-hmm. And then they put a pot filler on the outside wall. You're gonna get to that.
Snack closet is kind of your normal size.
Yeah,
for
nothing.
A 5-bedroom house is kind of small.
Mm-hmm.
Right. But yeah, so monograms. You've got your 4 burners plus a griddle, which is cool. And like Patrice mentioned, you've got your pot filler on the outside wall. So 99% of the time, that is going to be perfectly fine. The only time that it was not fine is a few years back when we did have that deep freeze. We had some issues with, people had some issues.
Some pipes bursting.
Pipes bursting in your wall.
Yeah, and it's hard right there because you can't just let it drip because you're gonna have to have something to catch it, and then you're gonna have to make sure you empty that pot.
Yeah, so
periodically.
it's one of those things where it's just if it's
something to think about.
You have to have, You know, I wouldn't worry about it too much, but it is something that you really need.
Spice racks on both sides.
On both sides there?
Yes, and then they have these cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling, which are really pretty. No glass, so it's something different. And then
this fridge.
That fridge is cool.
I mean, come on.
Yep, nice. And then the freezers down below.
2 freezers.
2 freezers. I like that. That's nice.
I mean, I love that fridge.
Okay.
I mentioned waterfall edge. You got
You
a 3
did.
butt island, and then this is your kind of typical where you've got your stacked dining. It's not like a real formal, but it could be if you need to.
And then you've got this nice buffet area to the side.
This is what I love about this particular floor plan is you do have that buffet style because you're thinking of everything when you come to entertaining and all that good stuff, right? Game day, whether it's Thanksgiving or whatnot, you can do your potlucks and
Yes.
be all squared away.
Good sized family area.
Really good sized, comfortable family area.
I like it. I like it a lot. It's got these big, tall ceilings with all these windows that are so nice, letting in all that natural light. Gotta love the fireplace, of course.
Cast iron?
It's not cast iron, it's cast stone, but that's okay.
Sorry.
Cast iron would be interesting, actually.
I think I do.
And look at this view.
Now we can't get out, they have it locked up, but you can see the patio is really good size. I'd say it's about 20 by 8. And then,
And we'll show you the view even better from the upstairs room.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta love that.
so right off of the family area is your primary. So as you come on through, good size, you got a king size bed, plenty of space on either side for your dressers, 3 windows.
Lots of space. Yeah, this is a huge room and it is really nice.
I'm kind of shocked that they don't have like a door here for the patio.
Yeah, they only have the sliders.
Yeah.
We did notice that, so that is
That is
interesting.
something to keep in mind if that is of interest to you. You got your double doors as you come on through. You've got split sinks, which is cool. And look at these sconces. What do you think?
I love them.
Yeah.
They have them going up the stairs too, and I think they're very pretty.
Really cool. Does
Yeah.
this have enough counter space for you?
Yeah, that does, that does. On both sides you get that counter space, so.
Even softboard in here as well. So really cool. Now you've got kind of your showcase jewel, your jewelry box type shower here, where you're on display as soon as you walk in. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I've never been a fan of that, but I do like this shower. I think it's really pretty. It's got that huge waterfall shower head too. Look at that thing. I like the black. It's really pretty.
Really good size.
Yeah, and it's got a bench, which is cool.
Yeah, it's got a bench. It feels, you know what it feels like? It feels like a hotel.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know how hard this can be to keep clean. But
Probably as hard as any other,
no, it won't show like all this.
Yeah,
hard water
it probably
stuff.
would, but you just got to keep it clean.
Yeah, that's not my forte. So.
And then you've got 2 closets, which is awful nice. Here's one right here, and that goes around that side, and then the other side's about the same size.
And what's that door?
And this door goes to the laundry room. There it is.
So that's cool.
It's very cool, and it's got the nice
like all the tile.
cabinets, and the tile goes all the way up to the top right there. It's got those really pretty shelves for things.
It's got your sink.
Got the sink. It's perfect. It's a perfect.
Yeah, and it's a really
Laundry
perfect
room.
size. It's got everything you need.
It does. And then we're kind of making our way back out into the kitchen area, and to the left here is a little guest bath. A little powder bath right here, which is nice.
That is cool.
Yeah.
I didn't even know.
Yeah, well,
I missed that.
you
When I
missed
walked
it.
through.
Well, let's head upstairs and check that out. All right, now we're upstairs in the game room area, and I love what they did to the ceiling. This is really, really pretty. It's way prettier in person.
Yeah, really cool. And I love these these barn doors for the media room. Iron. And then speaking of love.
Yeah.
Patrice.
This is your media room that you love.
I mean, come on. First of all, the size is perfect. I mean, it's big, right? And then so you've got this big couch so you can just spread out. You've got all this room. And I love the black, this matte finish with then you've got this like semi-gloss paint trim. And then with all the built-ins, it's just very masculine. And I love how they have like the wood backing.
Yeah, that's
it just
really cool.
ties everything in. You know what I haven't checked? I haven't checked the drawers. I wonder if no, these aren't soft closes. They're still really good quality. Man, I can get my fill. It's fall right now, so football season.
Yeah.
I could totally spend some time in here. Game room, really good size. Again, if you have young kids, you're gonna have kids up here playing. This railing with all that overflow is gonna be flowing in a lot of noise, right? It's gonna be pouring that over. But again, those are sparingly, and there's nothing better than seeing kids having a good time, right?
The sound of laughter.
The sounds of laughter. We kind of missed that. So, 2 bedrooms. Come on through. You've got a total of 3 bedrooms upstairs. Now this one, same closet sizes downstairs. Really good. I just like how it's laid out. I love how they've done all these details with the wainscoting, sconces, and then this is kind of that new Jack and Jill bath where you've got a sink in the bedroom itself, and then they share the bathtub and toilet area. And as you come through, this is the entry for like the guests and whatnot for upstairs. And then so this is your least favorite kid because he doesn't have it attached. But he's a golfer, so I don't know if he's really your least favorite. He wouldn't be my least favorite.
All right. But this down here at the end of this hall is the room that has the most amazing view. I mean, first of all, look at how cute this room is. It's so bright with these big, huge windows.
Yeah, they've done a great job.
I mean, look at this view from this room.
The secondary bedroom have its own incredible view.
It is.
With huge windows. I mean, this is kind of like a primary bedroom type windows. I mean, 3 just really massive windows overlooking that. And why not?
I want this room.
Yeah, I can't even imagine growing up with that. But then not only that, they have their own private ensuite, which is really cool.
Yeah. So you've got these beautiful cabinets in here, and then shower bath combo. Perfect room.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed this tour. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to check out this video right now. This model home will blow you away as well, or equally. Maybe it doesn't have the view, but it's still an awesome tour. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.